So I love Voldemort's rationale there. But my question is that enough of a difference? 785, right? Which for those of you who can't see, I'm drawing it right here, right? I'm drawing the 785 from the 800. Is that enough of a difference to create a skew? I'm not feeling that. I'm not on board with that. And by the way, when I say this, when I challenge you, all of you like this, I'm open to being wrong, right? I'm open to being wrong. A good data scientist is always open to new views. I'm just sharing my rationale, right? But I'm not feeling that. You're talking a difference of 15. I'm not feeling that also because I'm looking at the range, right? 446 to 1001. What is that? A range of 550? So what's that proportion? 15 over 550? That's not a big proportion, right? What is that? 3% deviation? Not feeling that. So that gives me team no skew, right? Here's another one that is telling me that there's probably not a skew. I don't know if you guys know this, but there's an old trick, and I don't read about this online very often, so I think I'm giving you guys valuable advice here. Write this down. An old professor gave me this advice, and this little thing has saved me plenty of times. Okay, did you know that there is a shortcut for finding a standard deviation? Anybody tell you that? You're not going to read about this. You write this down. There is a shortcut for finding standard deviation. It's your range divided by 4. Your min and your max, right? Your max minus your min divided by 4 is a shortcut to find standard deviation. I think it assumes that the data is evenly distributed, right? Or normally distributed. But that's a shortcut to finding standard deviation, right? So that's the calculation I did right now when I told you guys I was doing a calculation. So 550 divided by 4 is 137, which is pretty darn close to the standard deviation that these descriptive statistics are giving us. So that's my second rationale for why I don't think this is skewed. To me, that feels close enough to be normally distributed. But I'm telling you guys, you're not going to read that anywhere else. Write that down. Your range divided by 4 is a shortcut to finding standard deviation. And it's pretty darn close in this situation. Again, that's a variance of like, what, 7 or 8.